give us some trading strategies. Ashish, hi, welcome to the show. This seems to be a market that has something for everyone. Mid caps, large caps, beaten down sectors, wealth creators, everything. So you help us identify what should the strategy be for the hour and what are the stocks that you would still be bullish on?
Absolutely. Good afternoon to you and all the viewers. See, the overall trend for the market remains bullish. I have seen people catching a top in this kind of a bull run, but I think it's best to avoid. Rather, we saw a fall of nearly around 200-300 points just 2 days back, and people started turning bearish. And I was the one who was saying that any dip should be used as a buying opportunity. There is no topping sign right now. You don't see any kind of divergence. There is no loss of momentum. And look at the rally which is happening today. If you look at the weekly and the monthly chart, that itself shows the size of the candle is so big that indicates the momentum is still very strong, and the participation, as you rightly pointed out, is broad based. You can see the mid cap participating, the small cap. You can see the laggard, which was banking space, is now participating big time, and bank nifty is back toward that 37,700. So bank nifty was a concern, and that has now started participating on the upside. So I think any dips from here on nifty, if you get it back towards that 17,700, buy it there, expecting a target of 17,900 on the upside. Possibly nifty will turn an adult at 18,000 level soon. So I would use any dip as a buying opportunity on this market. With respect to stock specific action, I think two space which looks very interesting from the sectorial perspective is one is the realty space. We can clearly see that there has been a huge move in the realty stocks. Look at DLF, look at Oberoi Realty, and those have been strongly outperforming. Realty was subdued since 2008 for quite some time, and since March pandemic post that we have started seeing this sector to be emerging as out of the woods after a long period of consolidation. So Oberoi Realty, it can be a good bet over short term. One can create long positions here, keeping a stop loss of 760, expecting a target of 845 and maybe beyond over the medium term period. And the next stock is going to be McDowell. We can clearly see the space of consumption, FMCG, and those sectors are started to show outperformance. McDowell have shown in today and yesterday's session a huge move on the upside, and I think it has just started the third wave, which is going to be very strong and sharp and can take price towards 875. So McDowell, one can create long positions, which is also known as United Spirits. One can create long positions here, keeping a stop loss of 785 for the target of 875.
Okay, all right, Ashish. We'll take your point about the Nifty approaching the 18,000 mark and turning into an adult. And we have